In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify Point of Sale. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, start by navigating to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps. This is your go-to place for accessing Shopify's app marketplace, which houses a range of tools and extensions to enhance the functionality of your online store. Go ahead and click on Apps to enter the marketplace. Once you're in the App section, you'll need to search for the app you're looking for. In this case, type Shopify Point of Sale into the search bar. This feature is specifically designed to help integrate your in-store sales with your Shopify online store, providing a seamless experience across both platforms. After entering the name, a list of related applications will appear. Look for the official Shopify Point of Sale app and click on it. This will take you to its dedicated app page. Now that you're on the app page, you'll see a button that says Install. Clicking this button initiates the installation process. Rest assured, the installation doesn't take long, and Shopify has streamlined it to be as user-friendly as possible. Once you click Install, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This is a standard procedure to ensure you've selected the right app and to authorize its access to your store. Simply confirm when ready, and your installation will proceed. After the installation completes, the app will automatically open up on your Shopify dashboard. At this point, you'll be greeted with a setup guide provided by Shopify to help you implement the point-of-sale system into your store, effectively bridging your physical and digital sales environments. It's important to carefully follow these steps, as they will ensure a smooth and successful integration. And just like that, you're all set with the Shopify Point of Sale on your store. This newly installed tool will help you manage sales, track inventory, and more directly from your Shopify dashboard, making it easier than ever to operate your business both online and offline. By following these steps, you've streamlined your sales operations, paving the way for an enhanced, flexible retail experience. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to install Shopify Point of Sale. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in integrating this powerful sales tool into your business model. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help. Happy selling!